Hello and welcome back to the Sovrenfx YouTube channel. Hope you're having a great day. Looking forward to a great trading week. So before we dive right into the video, I opened a Sovereign Free Signals group and everybody's eating. We're up 104 pips for the last week. You can join it there. We have the next week coming up and we had our special available. Everything I provide here is for free, so you lose nothing. You don't have to drop $1 on it. You could just join and enjoy the pips. Okay, so back to the video. So today I'm going to show you how to draw simple support and resistance. Don't worry about this. This was my back test for last week. Okay, so when it comes to support and resistance, let me lay it out for you. Support and resistance, supply and demand, tomato, they are one and the same thing. I mean, not in that light, but I don't care what anyone says about that. They're basically the same thing, unless you're trading stocks. But in Forex, supply and demand simply support and resistance, at least according to me and the strategy that I'm using. Okay, so once you dive right into your charts, you want to check left using your eyes. Just have a scan of price using your eyes, no indicator. Then you can have your lines just to identify where your zones are. So remember, support and resistance or supply and demand are zones and not a specific price. So when you have your line out like this, it does not necessarily mean that this is your support exactly 166.238. That's why I supplement my lines with a zone. So you have a box, then the line. So any price around this area is in your resistance zone, and that goes the same with support and demand. Okay, so that's basically it on how to draw it. So how do you identify them on a chart? So whether you're on the daily, hourly, 4 hours, 30 minutes, price will still move the same and support and resistance line are going to be drawn the same. Because if you remove everything, you strip down your chart to the basics, you'll only be left with two things: the candles and the zones where they touched and couldn't close above or below. So that's just to help you understand what support and resistance is. Okay, so when you come to your charts, you want to have a zone, then have your line at the close of the candles, basically where price couldn't close below. Then you want to have your box just around that area. This tells you that this area is an area of demand. Okay, so check. This was once a bearish candle that came, touched, and still closed above, didn't close below your support line. Also, this was once a bearish candle that came below but still closed above. Here we have a bearish candle, didn't close, bullish candle, didn't close. So basically they are living weeks of exhaustion. So this is a very strong area that price has been supporting. Okay, so that was it for support. The same thing happens in resistance. It doesn't matter which pair you are on, which time frame you are on, you still have to draw them the same way. Let me do the same for resistance so that you can grasp it. So here we have our line just above the body of the candles. Price didn't close above. Price touches, doesn't close. Touches, doesn't close. Okay, So what happens when price actually closes above a support and resistance line? So for example here, if you are turning back to around this area and price closed above, price came towards the same zone, didn't close, left 3 weeks of exhaustion, this is an indicator of reversal. So you're going to look for buys immediately after price closes bullish. You know that this is a very strong support, price is going to move up. I don't think there's more to add on support and resistance. That's just the backbone of trading. Every pair in the forex market moves the same, so it doesn't matter whether you're using your Fibonacci's, your BBMA, your moving average crossovers, or in the video on moving average crossovers is coming soon. So that's just it for today, helping you identify. So you can look at this area as the last example. You want to find the average of these prices. Here, price closed below, and look at what happened. Price dropped. Price came back, couldn't close above, closed bearish. In fact, I took a sell and this was sent to the members. This was the sell. I take profit for around 100 pips for last week. Okay, that's it for today. Hope you like the video. Subscribe to support the channel, no pun intended. You could also leave a comment if you have any question on how this strategy works. So today I haven't talked about entries, but just how you can identify your support and resistance zone, because what lies between the zones are the ranges, and I trade from range to range. So see you next time.